this video, our MoveAbout occupational therapist will show you one way to use the dual interaction swing from Southpaw. We like to call this swing the helicopter swing. As you can see, the swing hangs up from one suspension point on the ceiling. There are two pairs of leg straps that the therapists put their legs into and then can lean back into while holding the ropes in front of them, which requires activation of their postural systems. The OTs then get the swing moving by running and walking at a similar pace, and one of them will stay still while the other therapist swings around them in an orbital movement, kind of like how a planet moves around the sun. Thanks for joining us on Swings and Things, and we'll see you next time. Bye.